In this video, I am going to show you a pocket option easy strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. If you are a complete beginner in binary options trading, then this strategy can be extremely beneficial for you. And even if you are a pro trader, learning this strategy can help you make more profit while trading binary options inside pocket option. So this is the easiest strategy that I can ever reveal in my YouTube channel, and it is highly profitable. So watch this video very carefully to understand each and everything properly to make trades with this strategy. And as you can see in my screen already, I invested $10. I turned it up to $2541, $2,541 with this exact strategy by achieving 9 trades win in a row. Okay, so watch the video very carefully. And also, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video and the first comment below. Read the instructions there in telegram channel and start to copy my trades. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair your favorite. Just make this stars yellow and it will appear at here. Second thing you need to do is just click on these candles and make sure this is selected and select S5 as your candle time frame. So that means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now another thing you need to do is you need to click on this indicator and click on this parabolic SAR. Once you click on it, it will appear at here and these kind of dots will appear in your chart. Now next thing you need to do is if it is flag at here, make it clock and select S5 as a trading time frame. So this is going to be a 5-second trading, and decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. Once you do this much, then you need to understand how parabolic SAR works. So if the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. And if the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles, then that means it is an uptrend. Now, whenever the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles and the second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, whenever this parabolic SAR dots are forming and this second dot appears, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. It is as simple as this, and this is the easiest pocket option trading strategy. Now I'll show you the exact places where you need to make trade, but before that, understand one more thing. Okay, so let's say you see that one dot is right now in the chart. Okay, now immediately wait for the second dot to form and make trade by clicking on lower. And if the second dot is if the first dot is forming at here, okay, then wait for the second dot to form and make trade by clicking on higher. In this way you can make trades. Now decide the amount that you want to invest. Initially I would suggest you to invest as little as possible. So let's say we are going to invest $10 per trade. So now what you need to do is you have already kept all of these charts at here above. Okay, so now just click on here and try to find out the places where you can get the possibility of getting this second dot. Just keep on switching these charts. Here you can see there was second dot. We could have made a trade at here by clicking on higher and we could have lose this trade. Now this is the beauty of trading. You cannot win each and every trade. Okay, sometimes you get lucky to win all of the trades that you are making. Okay, but oftentimes that doesn't happen. But with this strategy you can have more trades profitable. Here you can see one dot have formed. Now here you can see timer 1 second. Now there is second dot. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, because it is forming above the candle and we made the loss. Now we will switch to another chart and try to find another dot. So this here you can see there is 55% payout. So I'll cross this currency pair. Now let's keep on finding. Here is one dot. So there was second dot. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher. And we made profit in this trade. Similarly, you need to search for another place where you can make trade. It is as simple as this to make the trades. Here you can see there was one dot, so we are going to make trade on another dot and let's see what happens. we made loss in this trade. So let's see another chart. You may find less signal here. You can see there was a second dot. If you had made trade by clicking on higher in this candle, then you could have made profit. Okay, signals can be less. Okay, sometimes you can miss the signals, but it is worth finding these points where you can make the trade. It is a headache free strategy. You don't need to take lots of tension while making trades with this strategy. Here you can see there is 53% payout, so we are going to cut it off and again start to source from the first currency pair from these favorites. Yes, there is one, so we'll make trade and of another because second dot has formed. That's why we made this trade and we made loss in this trade also. So let's keep on searching. Don't worry about because of the few losing trade. Okay, let's keep on searching. Here is one, so we made a trade at here because there was second dot. Okay, so let's see, we made a profit in this trade. Let's keep on finding for other places where we can make the trade. Now there is another one thing that I will show you after a while. When this kind of condition appear where you are going where you are making loss instead of profit, there you can do one more thing to be profitable that day. And I'll show you here we missed the trade. Okay, there was the second dot, 75% payout, 69% payout. We'll cut this and again go to the first place where we can start to. Here you can see one dot. Now there is second dot has formed, so that's why we made this trade and we made profit in this trade. So let's keep on searching for other currency pair. So one dot, now second dot, that's why we made a trade by clicking on lower. Made a profit at here you can see we have started with $100, we made some loss and we again started to make the profit. Okay, these things happen in trading. Now let's say you have lost from 100, you reached up to $60. Now there what you can do is you can take a little bit more risk. Okay, and double your investment. Like if you are investing $10, then you start to invest $20 and you have $60 in your account, and if few trades only goes right, then you can become profitable after a while. Okay, so in this way you can use this exact strategy to make trade in the easiest way possible. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.